Welcome to Apple School of Knowledge. We watching and subscribe for more videos. Chief Justice of Pakistan CJP Umar Ata Bandial on Monday decided against ruling on the coalition government's request to form a full court bench on petitions related to the recently held Punjab Chief Minister's re-election, included a review of its interpretation of Article 63A, saying that the court will have to hear more arguments before it takes a decision in this regard. Justice Bandial made the remarks during the hearing of a petition filed by PML-Q leader Chaudhry Parvez Elahi challenging Punjab Assembly Deputy Speaker Dost Mohammad Mazari's decision in the Chief Minister's re-election last week, which led to Hamza Shehbaz's victory. After an hours-long hearing, when the court took a break to deliberate and subsequently resumed, it was anticipated that a decision on the request for full bench would be announced. However, that was not the case, as the CJP remarked. We have to see the constitution further.